In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from HubSpot CRM, a powerful tool that can streamline your communication process and keep you connected with your contacts efficiently. To get started, you'll first need to navigate over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to orient yourself if you're new to the platform. This intuitive CRM is designed to make tasks like this easier, even if you're just starting out. The first step in our process is to head over to the trial guide. You can easily find this in the navigation menu at the top of your user interface. You'll want to click on this so you can access the comprehensive set of tools readily available to you through HubSpot's platform, and it's a one-stop shop for all your CRM needs. From here, you'll want to focus on the CRM section, which is crucial as it's the central hub around managing and interacting with your contacts. Simply click on the CRM tab to access the full suite of customer relationship management tools. Now that you are in the CRM section, it's time to get down to the business of sending an email. In the CRM interface, spot the option labeled Email and give it a click. This takes you to the email management area where you'll find all that you need to set up and manage your email communications. HubSpot's email tool is integrated seamlessly into this section, making it straightforward to start your email marketing journey. Continuing with the email creation process, your next action is to click on the Create Email button. This is where the magic happens, as this will enable you to craft your message to your contacts. Remember, crafting an email within your CRM ensures that everything stays organized and accessible. It also provides useful metrics and tracking options that traditional email services might not offer. Once you've clicked Create Email, you'll be prompted to choose the type of email you want to send. At this stage, you will select Regular, which is perfect for most standard communications you'll need, whether it's reaching out to a client, following up on leads, or engaging your audience. Remember, the regular email option is akin to sending a typical email, but with added advantages like tracking and personalization. In summary, sending an email from HubSpot CRM involves navigating through the trial guide, accessing the CRM, then moving to the email section, clicking Create Email, and finally selecting Regular as the type of email. This integrated flow within HubSpot ensures that your communications are both effective and efficient. Whether you're managing a handful of clients or reaching out to a large mailing list, HubSpot CRM has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.